All right, so 14-1A is asking us a magnetic field cuts across a coil of 500 turns at the rate of 100 microwebers per second. So they're asking for VIND, voltage induced. So in this case, we have N is equal to 500, and d theta over dt is 100 microwebers per second. So we just fill in this equation. So VIND is equal to 500 times by 100 microwebers per second. So if we actually take this, so we take 500 times by 100 e to the minus 6, gives us 0.05. So it gives us 0.05, and V is volts, so that is the answer, 0.05. If you have any questions at 14.18, please feel free to come and talk to me.